Hey, it's me, Hair by Shonda, and welcome to Hair by Shonda TV. Today, in this video, I am going to be curling this mid-length shortcut pixie hairstyle. Now, pay attention to the length of her hair. It's just a little bit past her ears, and that's about the length that you need to achieve this hairstyle. So now I'm going to mold her hair into the waves, and they're going to be pretty big waves, like ocean waves a little bit. And I'm using this Kera Care foaming mousse. I like this mousse because it leaves the hair very soft and it doesn't make it sticky. So I use a 2-comb method to create my waves. As you can see, I just want to mold it because the rest of this hairstyle will consist of me curling within the waves. I also want to add that her hair is freshly relaxed. We gave her a relaxer prior to doing these waves. I personally prefer for your hair to be freshly relaxed when creating this hairstyle because it gives it a real fresh, sleek look. Not, I don't want to say nappy, but yeah, nappy. You don't want it to be nappy looking. But, you know, you can create this style if your hair is natural. You just have to do a silk press on it first and then curl it, which takes a lot of time. You also have to use hairpins as well, too. I'll do a video on that. Okay, jumping back into these waves. So here I am still using the 2-comb method because her hair is long and super thick. And for me to use the 1-comb method where you swirl, swirl, swirl and all that, that would not work for her hair. It's just not, you need double control for her hair. Her hair is really thick. You can also reapply the foam as you go through this molding process because the hair will get dry as you go along from one side to the other. So now I'm done waving, and you can see they're pretty big waves for the hairstyle that I'm going to achieve. And I'm going to put her under the dryer until she's dry. Ooh, look at those waves. What do you think? Comment below if you like the waves, or if you would rock the waves by themselves like this without curling it. I'm also not using a rapid strip. I don't want to affect the mold of these waves, so jumping into the dryer. So now we're ready to curl, and you must protect the hair with Kera Care Hot Blocker Thermal Protectant. I love my stuff because it smells so good. I'm such a scent junkie. It gotta smell good and works good too. So now I'm just gonna go in and start curling in the direction of her waves. First, I pick it apart with the tail of the comb because you don't wanna comb the waves out. You just wanna pick out the section of hair that you want to curl. And don't worry about it being super neat. You know, flaws are good. You know what I mean? Flaws gives it character. Flaws gives it pizzazz. Because no one knows that you did it by mistake. They thought you did it on purpose. So just go along, curl the hair. If it doesn't fall into the wave pattern, that's fine. You know what I mean? You will do all the detailing at the end of your curling process. Get through the curls so you can get the timing out the way. You never want your client in the chair for a million hours. Get them in and out so you can get your money. Now, after each set of curls that I do, I like to just add a little oil to soak in because when you doing this kind of hairstyle on a short haircut, the oil kind of sets the hair. You know what I mean? It's almost, I use it like as my spritz. You know, you don't want to use a lot of oil because you don't want it to be like greasy, but just enough oil to hold the curls down and set them in place. Okay, now that I'm done with my curling, I'm getting ready to start detailing and picking through this hair and giving it a little pizzazz and sex appeal and creating the look that I want to achieve. Please make sure you get the liners and cut all that little peach fuzz and fuzzy stuff off. Oh, to each his own, but to me, I don't think it's pleasing to the eye. Detail it. Make it look like something. Make it look fresh. Make it look clean. Her hair is so thick, I have to take the razor and detail the nape area because it'll look like she has on a helmet wig, and we don't want that. We want her nape area to hug her neck and look nice and sleek, not so thick, just enough to give her the style that we want. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something that you didn't know. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. God bless you. This video was sponsored by Silk Master Professional Titanium Flat Iron. Get you one.